guess we're gonna jump in the cold water. There's no other choice. So Oliver has already been in the water several times now. Now it's my turn. And maybe also Elias. I think he's getting ready to. I'm gonna do like a stupid shot with this camera. Let's see how that goes. It's freezing today. Like it's absolutely freezing. Are you talking about me? No. I'm not gonna vlog from the other camera because we're going in water. It seems like it's a bit cold.
Maybe 10 degrees.
Was it deep?
Yeah.
So further
so
you got
now
out?
I can run and like
Okay.
I think it's like head height under the sea.
Okay. Looks like we're going to be doing some jumping. It's cold today. Holy. Yesterday when we jumped in the water in the ocean, it wasn't even half as cold as today. Ah, but it's refreshing. You always know that Oliver is up to no good. He literally just jumped in between this. I'll show you guys how much space there is. There's barely any. It's a perfect fit. Holy shit. He was so close to that one. This man's a robot. Whoa. I don't know if I can show you guys this. I'm gonna give you a quick sneak peek, but okay guys, we're gonna leave you now and we're gonna keep you updated when we know what we're gonna do next.
Society, the government, politicians, it all.
It's been 7 days of walking in the desert. We're lost and we still haven't found any water. Did you find any water yet? Guys, we're lost. We're
out in the middle of the wilderness. We haven't seen any cars for like a week.
Man, we are a bit lost.
And it's been raining all the time.
It's been raining all the time. There's no water. Very contradictory. Oh my god, it's looking pretty now.
My dad did this all last week.
We found water, guys. We can now drink. This guy's a madman. Don't give a fudge about the rules. Hvor? Welcome to the jungle, guys. Oh, this is fucking cool.
Everybody's home.
Can you go knock on it? Anybody's coming out?
What's that?
We don't know actually. It could be anything. What the f? There's a dead baby goat. What the f? Why is there a baby goat here?
Because it fell down, I guess. It's like mountain goats, right?
Guys, I didn't know there were monkeys in this place as well. Ah, damn! Now I have Oliver's ass in my face as well. Ugh. My head is hurting so bad. Stupid. I ran down here and then I had to jump up here, but I hadn't looked, so I jumped into this tree. But I think we're a-okay. But look at this view though. I want to see if there's a way to climb up there. So gorgeous. Woo! Alright, so we're always up to some dumb. We climbed half a mountain.
We finally found something that Oliver is afraid of.
We need more half more of the mountain, and then we'll keep you updated up there. Elias, why are we up for dumb? What's our problem?
I think it's just like the male privilege. You never learn.
You probably can't even see how crazy it looked and how steep this is. But we did it, guys. We climbed not all the way to the top, but I think we're halfway or something like that. Elias started an avalanche. Holy sh**.
Yeah, we actually need to be careful for people under us.
Oliver is sitting down there like...
Sorry, Oliver.